Adam Gilder.
Very impressive.
Wan
Very
ta.
impressive indeed.
Wyt ti'n barod am Hwiangerdd?
Do you know what? This is my favourite part of the show.
Is it?
I've been looking forward to this for ages. Seems like all my life.
OK. Now
What have you got for me?
We've got a good one here.
OK.
Dau Gi Bach. 2 little dogs.
Oh, OK. This I can do. Yeah.
And again, even when we just go over the words, there's a rhythm to this Hwiangerdd nursery rhyme or lullaby, OK? And it's the rhythm of the word that helps people, you know, when they're practising ymarfer Cymraeg, OK? So let's just read through it first, OK?
Yeah.
Dau Gi Bach yn mynd i'r coed.
Dau Gi Bach yn mynd i'r coed.
2 little dogs going to the...
Forest?
Yeah, that'll do, lovely. Coed,
okay.
wood, forest, lovely.
Woods, yeah.
Dau Gi Bach yn mynd i'r coed. Esgid newydd am bob troed.
Esgid newydd am bob troed.
What do you reckon? Esgid.
Shoes.
Newydd.
New shoes am bob... On every foot.
On every foot, yes.
Paw.
Well, on each foot.
On
Paw.
each foot. Paw. Paw.
Dau Gi Bach yn dŵad adre.
Dau Gi Bach yn dŵad adre.
2 little dogs, dŵad, dod.
Dod.
Dod adre.
They come back.
They
They
coming
came
home.
back. They're coming home.
Dau Gi Bach yn dŵad adre.
OK.
Wedi colli un o'i sgidiau.
They lost one of their shoes.
They have. OK, so that's the little
How
story
do you
behind
lose a
it.
shoe in a forest?
Well, I've no idea. Now, let's try it as a song.
OK.
Dau Gi Bach yn mynd i'r coed.
Dau Gi Bach yn mynd i'r coed.
Esgid newydd am bob troed.
Esgid newydd am bob troed.
Dau Gi Bach yn dŵad adre.
That's the key change. Dau Gi Bach yn dŵad adre.
Wedi colli un o'i sgidiau. Go! Dau Gi Bach yn mynd i'r coed, esgid newydd am bob troed. Dau Gi Bach yn dŵad adre, wedi colli un o'i sgidiau. Dau Gi Bach.
I hope you all did join in there. That was all right, wasn't it?
That was good.
Was that okay?
That was good.
That was definitely something,
It
Siân.
was.
Thanks very much.
That's fine.
Showreel stuff. Thank you. Anyway, if you want to learn Welsh and practice your Welsh more importantly, Digwyddiadur is an opportunity for you to go out and about around Wales in your local area to learn some Welsh. So this is what's coming up.
Of course. Ymarfer siarad Cymraeg.
Ymarfer is the
Ymarfer
word
siarad
that you
Cymraeg.
should all be concentrating on.
That's the one.
Go on ymarfer.